Hello everyone. After 8 months of hard work, our EcoGum journey has come to an end. We are a mini enterprise based in Brussels selling biodegradable chewing gum. Our goal was simple. We wanted to do our bit for the environment while still providing everyday products. We also wanted to raise awareness on the many eco-friendly alternatives on many kinds of goods. We found that regular chewing gum is filled with chemicals and plastics and therefore is very harmful for the environment. We reached out to a brand called Choosy and we asked them if we could be their dedicated retailers, which they accepted. We have been very successful, not only in terms of sales, but also on raising awareness on the eco-friendly chewing gum alternative. And above all, we have had a lot of fun doing so. Along the year, we have received 2 labels from SGE, which prove the quality of our enterprise. I will now hand over to Mathieu Millereau, our Human Resource and Communication Manager.
En tant que directeur des ressources humaines, mon but était d'instaurer une bonne humeur et faire en sorte que les choses se fassent le plus facilement possible dans notre mini. Nous avons eu beaucoup de chance vu que nous sommes un groupe soudé tous les 8 et nous venons de la même école, du coup on peut se parler tous les jours à l'école. Mais ça ne nous a pas empêché d'organiser des meetings toutes les semaines pour faire en sorte que des problèmes, tels qu'ils soient, peuvent être résolus le plus facilement possible. J'aimerais bien vous rappeler l'organigramme de notre mini-entreprise. Donc, comme vous avez pu le voir, nous avions Esther Jonquier comme CEO de notre mini. Nous avons en directeur technique Nicolas Milidiatis, en directeur finance Lucia Garcia van Besserveld, avec les employés Tommaso van den Bergen et Jonathan Brouwer. Comme directeur marketing, nous avons Louise Crapenzano avec l'employée Helena Olta. Mais nous avons rencontré des problèmes. Comme tous les minis de cette année, nous avons rencontré le problème du Covid, du coronavirus. Pour en remédier, nous avons organisé des meetings virtuels grâce à l'application Teams. Là, nous avons discuté de la même chose qu'on faisait avant en vrai, mais cette fois-ci via Teams. Et tout s'est bien passé. Maintenant, je vais donner le mot à très honnêtement, je pense le meilleur directeur technique qu'on peut l'avoir, que Mini pourrait avoir, c'est Nicolas Milidiatis.
So as EcoGum's technical director, I would like to give you my opinion on what actually went down this year. So I believe we were lucky enough to find one of the best producers for biodegradable chewing gum, and this company is called Choosy. So Choosy is a company which is actually based in England. So I believe that though this year we had many different challenges at the beginning, trying to find the right producer for us and for our consumers, and trying the right flavors and finding the right flavors for everyone, we finally struck gold and were able to find, I believe, one of the best possible biodegradable, sugar-free, and 100% natural products that are on the market, while at the same time keeping our mouths smelling fresh with our chewing gum.
En total, nous avons vendu 650 paquets. Comme notre principal public sont les jeunes, on a décidé de faire beaucoup de ventes à l'école pendant nos pauses de midi. Ici, on peut voir quelques photos de ces ventes. Pendant toute l'année, on a fait 10 ventes à l'école en total. Nous avons aussi participé à l'événement de SGE au DOCS le 25 janvier. Cela nous a bien préparés pour le congrès, car on a eu l'occasion de recevoir beaucoup de conseils de professionnels sur notre stand, notre manière de vendre, etc. Ensuite, nous avons participé au congrès le 8 et 9 février. Pour pouvoir continuer à vendre nos chewing-gums malgré le confinement, nous avons pris des commandes via notre profil Instagram. Le client suffisait de nous donner leur adresse et on déposait nous-mêmes les paquets commandés à leur maison. Pour rester écologique, on a décidé de se déplacer à vélo.
Hi, I'm Helena from marketing, and to reach out to our customers, we have created an Instagram account in the beginning of November, where we have currently around 300 followers. We posted weekly ads that's in the form of funny videos that our members of the team created. We also had a bunch of photo shoots that where we weekly picked one of the photos that we made. And in the caption of the photos, we wrote like interesting facts about the gum, so people could, the customers could like get more information about the chewing gum that they were buying. we also had Instagram and we also had Facebook and a website, but we didn't use that much because we couldn't. The customers that were buying the gum didn't use Facebook that much.
Bonjour, je suis Tommaso et je suis un employé dans le secteur financier de la mini-entreprise Ecogum. Cette année, nous avons acheté 768 paquets de Choosy à 78 centimes l'un, ce qui nous a coûté environ 600 €. Nous avons réussi à vendre 650 de ces paquets, ce qui nous a rapporté 1300 €. Également, nous avons dépensé 62 € pour l'amélioration de notre stand et de notre mini en général. Et maintenant, je passerai la parole à mon cher collègue Jonathan. Merci.
Hi, I'm Jonathan, and once we deduct the taxes from the 1,300, we are left with 1,074.38 cents. And once we deduct the cost from that, we are left with 172.47 euros. And so this is our gross profit. And after we have to deduct taxes from that, which are 29.58%, and then we are left with 121.45 euros. This money will be divided evenly over the shareholders.
Hello, I am Lucia. I am the CFO of this mini enterprise. And our mini enterprise has a total active and a total passive of 831.04 euros. Our dividend is 5.06 euros, which makes the value of our share 12.06 euros.
LGE gave us the opportunity to develop management and entrepreneurial skills, which would not have been possible without them. Therefore, I would like to sincerely thank LGE as well as our coaches, Henri, Simona, and Quentin. A last thank you goes out to our shareholders who have been with us from the beginning. Although we have encountered many ups and downs, this is still an experience that will stay with us a lifetime. Thank you.
Bien sûr, alors du fond du cœur, j'aimerais bien remercier toute l'équipe LGE ainsi que nos coachs pour nous avoir accompagnés pendant l'aventure. Une aventure qui va rester à tout jamais dans notre esprit. Et on a vraiment appris beaucoup de choses. Et sans l'équipe LGE et sans nos coachs, ça ne pourrait jamais se passer. Du coup, un grand merci.
So I would like to thank Henri from LGE, Simona, our coach, and many of the people from my team, which are my best friends as well, for their participation in our mini enterprise this year and to make it a successful project.
Hello, I would like to thank LGE and Henri for this amazing experience. I truly learned a lot. At the beginning, I didn't know anything about business, marketing, and running a company, but now I know a lot more, and it will certainly help me in my life.
Un grand merci à LGE pour cette expérience.
Je voulais remercier LGE pour cette très belle expérience et à la prochaine. Ciao.
I would like to thank LGE for creating this wonderful experience, as well as the coaches. So Henri, thank you. Simona, thank you. As well as the shareholders, thank you for, getting us on the rails for this opportunity. And I'm just very grateful because I learned many new things which I wouldn't have without this opportunity in the financial world, and just meeting new people. It was a really good experience. So thank you everybody who followed our journey, and see you the next time.
I would like to thank Simona Lungu, our coach, for all her help during this past year and for all the wonderful experience we have gained. Thanks to her and thanks to LGE.